Zooming in and out is a powerful technique that can enhance storytelling, create a sense of depth, and captivate your audiences. And with Premiere Pro, you have all the tools you need at your fingertips. Let's start with the basics. Get ready to unleash your creativity as we guide you through this exciting journey. By the end of this video, you will be equipped with the knowledge and the skills to create a jaw-dropping zoom effect that will leave your viewers wanting more. So, how do you even apply a zoom effect in Premiere Pro? Let's find out. So, this is the result before adding any kind of zoom effects into it. It's pretty basic and it doesn't create an aestheticity something in your mind. It doesn't release that dopamine. It doesn't satisfy you. So now at the first, just click on whichever clip you want to apply this zoom transition, and then go to the effects control tab right over here. In this video, we are just going to play with the position and with the scale. So what is position? Position is the position of the clip, the x-axis and the y-axis where the clip is lying, and the scale is how much zoomed in or zoomed out the video footage in actual is. So now back to the effects control. Here at the scale, you have to click this keyframe icon. Just click it once. We'll just play with this too. So first click on scale. So it will add an keyframe. So first you have to make sure that you add a keyframe on the perfect time. So I want the zoom in to start right from the start of my clip. So I put the cursor in the start of my clip and click this keyframe icon. So it will add an keyframe onto it. Just like that. And after that, in the scale, I'll write 130 because I want a zoomed out effect. So first off, I'll write 150 and then I'll go to end of the clip, add one more keyframe by pressing this option, and then I'll change the value back to 100. So what will happen is that my clip will be 150x zoomed in, and by coming to the end, it will zoomed out slowly as you can see in this preview. Clip which is not that good and the zoom in or zoom out effect won't fit exactly in this clip, so I would let this unchanged. And now let's move on to our third clip, and here we'll add a zoom in transition. So in the starting of the clip, add a keyframe and then change the value or let it be 100, and then just go till the end of the video and then add a keyframe and change the value of it to maybe increase, because now we want a zoom in effect. So now you can see, now this is our fourth clip, and here we are going to add a zoom in transition. This clip is, and I want my clip to end on this underground and bank station, the metro station name. So we are going to do this, and this is really going to be fun. So first select that clip, go into the effects control tab first of all, and then go in starting of the clip. This process is as same as what we did for the last clip. Go at the starting of the clip, add a keyframe right over there, and then go till the end of the clip and then zoom in whatever percentage you want. So I maybe do it a little bit more. So I want to zoom in perfectly, so I may do it a little bit more. So yeah, and then you can see the results, which are pretty good, but it still feels incomplete because as you can see that it's zooming in, it's panning, but it's not coming into the center. So now we have to take it to the center. So we'll back again go to effects control, add a keyframe at the starting of the clip and add a keyframe onto the position, and then we'll go to the end of the clip and we will adjust the position according to when that the station name is coming onto the center of the clip, just like this. Yeah, like this looks perfect. And now if we play this clip, it is really going to look awesome. If you remember, then I showed you the same clip at the starting of the video, and now I'm showing you this is the edited version with zoom in zoom out effects, and I bet that 99% of the people will like this clip over that clip, and especially the last clip is a banger effect. We hope that this tutorial has inspired you to explore the endless possibilities that zoom techniques can offer. Remember, the key to create impactful video is to experiment, push the boundaries and let your creative soar. Till then, see you in the next episode. Bye bye.